Let's together take a clean and detailed look at how to make money with a drone. Stock media sales. Like our previous video that covered how to make money with aerial photography and videography, this video will cover all the steps you need to turn that idle drone into a cash cow. For the previous video, don't miss it too. Check the description for a link. Got a drone or drone piloting skills? Hold tight till the end. We're diving deep into one of the most passive and profitable ways to make money with your drone, selling stock footage. And here's the best part. You film once, upload once, and get paid over and over again. This is part of our 30+ ways to make money with your drone series. So if you don't subscribe and hit that notification bell, you're going to miss valuable drone income strategies that can turn your drone into a real cash machine. Got a team of people you care about? Take a quick second and share this video with them. They will thank you, and your efforts will be rewarded. Your neighbors might even start gossiping about your new lifestyle. Now let's break down everything you need to know about selling stock drone footage and making passive income. 1. What is stock media sales? Stock footage is pre-recorded video content that businesses, content creators, filmmakers, and advertisers buy from online marketplaces to use in their projects. Instead of hiring a videographer, they purchase ready-to-use drone clips that fit their needs. As a drone pilot, you can sell your footage on stock media platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond 5, Getty Images, iStock, and Envato Elements. Every time someone downloads your footage, you get paid, sometimes multiple times for the same clip for your entire life. Imagine waking up one morning with the usual hefty utility bills and rent arrears, then you find that 1,000 clips have been sold overnight. And that is what you expect as you grow your presence over all thought platforms. As your numbers grow, the more sales you get, and the visibility and followers you gain. Master social media marketing to make your breakthrough closer, and soon you need your own online platform to sell your stuff. You can visit itechstudios.com for professional e-commerce website to sell your shots with no commission to intermediaries. A cool way to retire young, live happy, and leave a legacy. The next step is about choices of what to shoot. So the big question is, what type of drone footage sells best? Not all drone clips make money, so you need to capture what buyers actually want. Here are some of the highest selling stock video themes. A. Cityscapes and skylines. High-rise buildings, iconic landmarks, and urban streets. Day and night city time-lapses sell incredibly well. B. Natural landscapes and aerial panoramas. Mountains, oceans, forests, and vast open fields. Seasonal changes such as fall colors, snowy peaks, and spring landscapes. C. Transportation and infrastructure. Busy highways, bridges, and railway systems. Cargo ships, airplanes, and logistics hubs. D. Real estate and architecture. Luxury homes, commercial buildings, and resorts. Drone fly-throughs of vacation rentals, similar to Airbnb-style listings. E. People and lifestyle. Outdoor adventure footage including hiking, surfing, and biking. Drone shots of people working, exercising, or socializing outdoors. F. Environmental and climate change themes. Deforestation, pollution, natural disasters, and renewable energy sources such as solar farms and wind turbines. Companies, NGOs, and news agencies use these for educational and awareness projects. The equipment you need. To sell high-quality stock footage, you need a drone that meets industry standards. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, DJI Air 2S, or Autel Evo 2 for 4K plus resolution and professional features. ND filters to reduce glare and improve cinematic quality. Extra batteries to ensure longer shooting sessions. Editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro for color grading and stabilization. Always shoot in RAW or log format to allow better post-production flexibility. Now let's look at why you may have stayed tuned this far. And this part may help you even if you don't have a drone. You can still sell photos from your phone or any other camera, even good AI photos from Recraft or Leonardo. How to upload and sell drone footage. Selling stock footage is simple, but following the right process ensures success. A. Sign up on stock media platforms. Start by creating an account on major stock sites like Shutterstock Contributor, Adobe Stock Contributor, Pond 5, and iStock. These platforms allow royalty-based selling, meaning you earn every time your clip is downloaded. B. Optimize titles, tags, and descriptions. Stock footage is only useful if buyers can find it. Title example: aerial view of New York City skyline at sunset in 4K. Tags and keywords: cityscape, aerial footage, urban drone shot, downtown skyline, 4K drone video. This SEO strategy ensures your videos appear higher in search results and attract more buyers. C. Set your price. Most stock sites allow you to set a price per clip. Regular HD footage, $50 to $100. 4K and premium clips, $100 to $500. Exclusive licenses, up to $1,000 per download. Upload multiple variations of the same scene from different angles, speeds, and movements to maximize downloads. How much can you earn? Stock footage is a passive income stream, meaning once uploaded, it can generate money for years. Here's what a typical drone stock seller can make. Beginner, 10 to 20 clips uploaded, $100 to $500 per month. Intermediate, 50 to 100 clips uploaded, $500 to $2,000 per month. Pro level, 200 plus clips uploaded, $3,000 to $10,000 plus per month. If you put in the work now, you can earn for years without additional filming. Scaling your stock footage business. To take things further, diversify your footage and expand your reach. Upload on multiple platforms rather than relying on one stock site. Shoot exclusive footage to sell directly to businesses. Offer direct licensing deals rather than waiting for stock site purchases. By doing this, you can turn stock footage sales into a full-time income. Final thoughts. Is selling stock drone footage worth it? Yes. Unlike active services such as wedding or real estate shoots, stock media allows you to earn money while you sleep. Once your footage is uploaded, it continues to sell indefinitely, making it one of the best passive income streams for drone pilots. My final advice is that making money doesn't sometimes need oceans of sweat of flashy PhDs, so don't miss out on more money-making ideas. This was just one way to make money with your drone, and we have 30 plus more coming. If you don't subscribe and turn on notifications, you're going to miss out on profitable drone opportunities. Subscribe now. Comment below with the drone footage idea you plan to shoot first. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. Share this video with a friend who owns a drone. They will thank you later. If you are serious about turning your drone into a full-time business, stay tuned. We're just getting started.